The bibliography for the web pages should follow pretty much the lines of books or articles as well. However, there's some special cases that you need to note. First of all, if the author is not mentioned, then the in-text reference is started with the organization or the company or so on. And if the date of publication is not visible, then you use the abbreviation ND, no date. And if the website is frequently updated, then you write down the retrieved date in the reference. So you kind of show when you have found the information on that website. And if there is, always use the permanent address, DOI or URN, instead of the URL. And even though the general APA 7 instructs you to abbreviate long web addresses, we are not doing that. We will put the typical web address that you get. So here's an example of how you would do to website bibliography note. In the end, you have the whole website. First, you have the writer as in a book. Then you have the publishing date, the name in italics, and then the publisher, and then the website URL.